If you're looking for a house that blends classic New England charm with practical modern updates, today's property is worth a closer look. Let's head to Winchester and see what this 3-bedroom house has to offer. This inviting New Englander offers 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms with comfortable living spaces designed for everyday life. This inviting New Englander offers 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms with comfortable living spaces designed for everyday life. Natural light fills the interior, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere from the moment you step inside. The functional floor plan provides flexibility, whether you're spending time with family, working from home, or entertaining guests. Recent improvements allow the next owner to move in with confidence, including an updated roof, fresh interior paint, updated light fixtures, and a new dishwasher. Solar panels have also been added to improve energy efficiency while helping reduce long-term utility costs. One of the highlights of this property is the way it encourages outdoor living. The spacious rear deck creates the perfect place for summer cookouts, outdoor dining, or relaxing